Hi, my name is Sarah Grosh and I'm a senior at LC. And I'm so excited that you can finally come into our school. I'm so glad you're here for open house. And while you're here, I want to tell you about a couple more opportunities you have to visit LC this year. If you're in 7th grade, mark off your calendars for 7th grade visitation day. And if you're in 8th grade and you haven't shadowed yet, make sure to sign up as soon as possible. It's such a fun day and you get to follow around a freshman, and it's a great way to meet people before coming to LC.
So last year I was offered scholarships here at LC and another private schools in these areas. And I chose LC because I've heard that it's just had a great atmosphere, and so far that's been really true.
It wasn't till my shadow day I really saw that community and what everyone was been raving about, but instantly when I walked through that door, I knew this was the right place for me, and I hope that's the same for you guys.
The Lansdale Catholic teachers they just help all the students in every way they can. They're really supportive and they want all their students to work to their fullest potential and keep pushing them every day.
And my teachers, their classes are difficult, but they make it in like a fun way where it's not a chore to be doing the work. It's something you look forward to do.
LC has a lot of opportunities that include joining the ministry club, which consists of helping out at Mass. Every other week we usually have a club meeting.
It was nice getting back into the spiritual part of school. Back when the pandemic hit, we were only really allowed to go to Mass once, maybe with the grade. And it's gonna be nice being able to go with the whole school again and getting back into the spiritual part of it.
There are so many things I love about Lansdale Catholic, but one of the most important ones for me is the ability to participate in so many different activities. Here I was able to participate in drama club, in baseball. I'm a varsity senior captain this year. I was able to participate in things like Chick-fil-A Leadership Academy and the STEM Honor Society and National Honor Society. And it's these activities that they present that really make me feel at home, and it makes me feel like I have the opportunity to seek out any interest I may have.
I feel like LC has afforded me the opportunity to continue my athletic and academic career at either a Division I university or at a service academy. I'm so grateful for LC for putting me in the position to have such exciting opportunities for me.
For college, you only have to ask for a couple of teacher recommendations, and I feel like I could ask the vast majority of the teachers who have taught me these past couple years because they have such a great relationship with all of their students and are willing to help you along the way.
With the vast amount of opportunities LC has provided me, I've been able to grow spiritually, academically, and athletically.